I am going to do an unboxing of these recipe kits. In this box, you will find 4 recipe kits from Simply Cook. It's not my first time to receive this one. It's my second box already. I've already cooked the recipes from that box, but did not make a video out of it. But this will be my first of 4 episodes, I think. And I'm waiting for next month to receive another box. Yeah, nag-subscribe po ako dito. And hindi naman siya masyadong mahal. Hindi din siya okay lang siya yung price niya. And madali lang siyang i-follow yung recipe. And I'm going to show you, I'm doing an unboxing out of it. So, I'll just read this one. Here at Simply Cooked, we loved a good recipe book. But once we've owed and awed at the pictures and spent 2 hours making a 20-minute meal, we know it ended up left on the shelf. That's why in our boxes, you'll find 4 super simple recipe kits created by our chefs to make great cooking easy. Just open up the box and let a delicious new chapter begin. So, let's start. If you'd like to try, you can order your first box, or there's a free trial. I think they have a free trial. You just pay a very small amount. I did it with my first box, and this one is my second box. Sorry. Magkwento na lang ako kasi mahirap mag-open. Or i-post ko na lang ang video ko tapos i-open ko. Actually, hindi ko alam kung ano yung nasa loob ng box na ito. Yung first box, ako yung pumili kung ano yung 4 na recipe. Ito naman, sila lang nag-send sa akin. So, it will be a surprise kung ano ang nasa laman nito. And, hindi pa ako nakabili sa, ang ano lang ito, mga spices, other ingredients, but you have to buy the meat sa grocery. So, magpili muna ako ng isang lulutuin ko at bibili ako sa mga ingredients. Oh. So, ito pala yung nasa loob niya. Ang ganda, no? Teka lang. I-fold ko muna. So, ito. Delicious offers we think you'll love. We've handpicked a selection of exclusive offers from our partners which we hope you'll enjoy. So, sila yung pumili ng recipe. So, maraming mga leaflets. Ano ba to? Create a restaurant experience. Simply Cook. Ano bang? Okay. So, ito po yung choices. Isa sa mga choices. Lamb kofta flatbread. Okay. Meron pa naman akong flatbread doon. But, I think kulang yun. So, bibili pa rin ako. So, dito, nakalagay yung mga ingredients niya. So, I can't share this to you. Kasi baka bawal. King prawn, chalfizi. Meron akong prawn din dyan. Baka. But wala akong... Meron bang ibang... Oh, I think I have all the ingredients. Ito siguro yung ano ko. may, kompleto ako nito. And here's the other one. Smoke Honda. Hindi ako marunong magbasa. Kedgeree. And chicken. Hindi rin ako marunong mag-pronounce. So, ito yun. See? So, nasa box siya. I think I will first cook the prawn. Kasi meron akong prawn eh. Pero konti lang yun. Ito yung gagawin ko. So, let's try to open this one. So, mahirap kasi pag isa lang yung kamay na ginagamit ko. So, ito siya. So, I will cook this. I will cook this today. And I will share you kung paano ko siya niluto. So, they have secret. Kahit i-share ko yung other ingredients, may secret spices pa rin siya na hindi ko alam kung ano ang nasa loob. May sauce na siya. May mga spices, powdered spices. And ito yung another sauce. May nakasulat naman dito, ginger tomato. Ito naman is the masala blend. And ito naman yung Bengali paste. So, let's cook. And ipapakita ko sa inyo yung finished product later.